not. But what I was saying was I just picked up a requested order for a gentleman I did a couple of weeks ago. And I saw that he rated me this morning, so we're on our way to pick up his, I believe it said 3 bags. So I'll meet you guys when we get there. Here we go again with the app acting up. Don't want to take the photo. This is why I have not been doing Pomplin as much. I don't care. I shut my phone off for a while. I don't know. Something about this app. I cut the Wi-Fi off. I do everything possible so nothing else can be running while this is running, and it just won't work. Anyway, we're on our way back to the house, see if we can finally take a photo and get started on the laundry. Alright guys, while we're waiting for the clothes to wash, go ahead and get out the items that I normally use for my gifts. So I think I'm going to go ahead, and I know they're probably Christmas bags, but I'm not going to waste them. I spent my money on them, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these bags out. Got them from the $1.25 store, not $1.50 anymore. So this is the bag I'm going to use. And then I go in here and I look for something that I'm going to give to the customer. And think I may get this. Remember all these items that I make myself. It's an ink pen. So this is going to be the gift. Then I go and just drop it into the bag. All right, now I'm finished with this bag. Then I go ahead and get my second bag. And this is where I keep the ribbons and the clear bags and everything in here. I keep some of everything in here. Scissors. And what I did recently, I ordered some new ribbons, so I think I'm going to go ahead and give those a try today. And I get my little thank you stickers out. I get my little teeny ribbons that I'm going to tie up the bag. And I also get these little tie things. I'm going to have to get a couple of those out to tie up the bags once I get the clothes all folded and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out. And I'll place them over here. I'm just going to take them out of here. I don't know how many I'm going to use. And when I finish, I just drop them back in this big bag. So like I said, I ordered some new ribbons. I never ordered these before, but I thought they were so cute. I'm going to show you guys. I hope you guys can see that. They're so cute. And here's another one. They're so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. And this. I think I might end up doing this one. But the name is Michael. That's the customer's name. But I do see some women clothes in there. So I think I'm still going to use it. And then we have those. So maybe I'll just wait. Because it is a man's name on it. So what I'll do, maybe I will use, let's see. I'm going to put this up. Put this one up. I want to go I'm going to use the blue, this little blue star one, because it is a guy. And then I'm going to use the flower one, because it is a man and a woman. So those are the ribbons I'm going to use with this order. These and this. This is so cute. So let's get started on tying this up. I take a little piece of ribbon that I already had cut up, and then I just go ahead and tie up the bag. So give me some time to go ahead and tie this bag up. You guys are ready for Resurrection Sunday, which is in a couple of days. The day is Thursday, and Good Friday is tomorrow. So I went on and tied up the bag, and then next thing I do, I'll go ahead and grab me a sticker. I'll show you the sticker in a second. See, little thank you sticker. And then I just place it on the bag, and this is for the customer. Like I said, no matter how many times they order from me, I'm going to give them a gift, because they didn't have to request me. So I will see if I don't be back with the folding part, I will see you guys in the morning on our way to drop the laundry back off. See you then. Good morning. All right, guys, we are on our way to drop off. We're on our way to drop off the laundry that we picked up on yesterday. I picked up 3 bags on yesterday, and I'm delivering 4. Because you know when you pick dirty laundry up, it's all crumbled up together. So on our way to drop this laundry off, and I'll meet you guys when we get to the place. Bags have been delivered, and I think I'm just gonna have to give up on this such share thing, because it just won't work for me. It just will not. It will refuse to take these photos after tried so many times. When I mean so many times, I mean so many times. and it's getting to be ridiculous. But anyway, I'm on my way back to the house. I forgot my water bottle, so I'm going to pick my water bottle up, and then I'll be on my way to work. Thank you guys for always popping in and watching and commenting. If you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please come be a part. It is definitely free. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.